This is the English Literature YouTube channel. Here I am Prof.L.B. Gayakawad, teaching on the topic camera in the film. Means when the film is picturized, or when the film is made by the filmmaker or the director, or when the actors play their roles in the film, then the role of the camera is very much important there. So we will see today the role of the camera in the film. Here we should analyze the camera or the system of camera with the help of the following points. The use of camera is very significant in the filmmaking. This is the first point. When we see the analysis of the film, then we must say that the use of the camera is very much significant, very much important in the film. If there is no camera, then the film will not be the successful film. Means the filmmaker or the director cannot create that film, because the camera is the particular significant article, I will say there, or instrument, I will say there, which is very much important, because it is used, or with the help of it only the film is made, because that camera is focused on the characters, on the actors, and that's why if there is no camera or if there is no photography, then that film will not be the film, because the film is the creation of the camera only, because it is the picturization, the camera, their sketches, or the camera there takes the photos, and so those photos all together is the film, and that's why here I will say that the camera is very important in the film. The camera takes a shot in the film making process. Remember, the camera is there in the hands of the particular cameraman. That cameraman handles that camera, and that camera takes a shot. Shot means that camera takes the pictures, takes the particular situations, and that camera is used by that cameraman, and that camera is focused, or the, I will say, the way or the light of the camera is focused on the particular actors, and in this way it is the point that the camera takes a shot in the film making process, because if that camera is not there, then the beginning or the process of the film will be not successful, and that's why the camera is very important there. The shot of the camera is decided on the camera's distance from the object, person, or animal. Here the discussion is that the camera is there in the hands of the camera person, and when that camera person uses that camera, then it is said that the shot of the camera, or shots of the camera, or the focus of the camera is decided, or the focuses are decided on the camera's distance. On the camera's distance means at what distance that camera person is standing from the actors. It is very clear that the actors are at one place and the camera person is at the second place. So the shots of the camera are decided on the camera's distance, because that camera is put on the particular distance from the object. Object means there are some things are there available, articles are available, or I will say some cars are there, or some bulldozers are there, suppose, means they are objects, and some persons are there, and some animals are there, and on these all objects, I will say, the camera is focused, and so the situation of the camera or the importance of the camera in the film is very important. There are the four basis shots which are used in the film. So remember, now we will see the four shots which are used by the camera in the film. The first shot is a close-up shot. We are discussing now about the close-up shot. Close-up shot means what? It is very close shot, means this shot is taken from the nearest distance, means the actors are very near, the object is very near, and the camera person is also very near, and in this way the shot is taken, and that's why this shot is called the close-up shot. It is taken from the nearest distance. Just we saw that this shot is taken from the nearest distance, because all these objects are very near, and the camera person is also very near, and that shot is taken in this way. In this close-up shot, the camera lens focuses on the detailed process on the actor's face. Remember, when this close-up camera is there, and when the camera person is very near the actors, then the camera focuses on the face of the characters or actors. It means that the detailed process is done there, or the detailed picture is picturized there, and that's why it is we can say that the particular close-up shot, and this close-up shot is very keen shot, because it gives the detailed, I will say, the focus or the detailed shot, or the detailed I will say the picture of the actors or of the situation. The second camera shot is a medium shot. In this medium shot, the camera lens picks up some background or upper half of the actor. Remember, the second type of the shot is there, and that shot is the medium shot, and with the help of this medium shot, there is the camera lens, or I will say the positions of camera are there, and they are particularly are picking up the situation of the background, means some background, or I will say some upper half of the actor, not total part of the actor, only the upper half of the actor or some background is picked up by the particular focus or by the shot of the camera, and that's why this shot is called the medium shot. Means it is the shot in short which takes the half position of the actors, or the half position of the background which is there in front of the actors. Then the third camera shot is called the full shot. Now see, in this full shot, the camera lens takes the full view of the actor. Means when the cameraman uses the full shot there upon the actors or characters, then here this camera takes the full view of the actors, means total background and the total actors are closed there in the camera, or they are snatched by the situation with the help of that camera, because it is the full shot. When it is the full shot, every matter is fully taken there, every situation is fully picturized there, and that's why here I will say that the full shot is put there on the full situation. Then the last shot is the long shot. So what is the long shot? In this shot, the camera takes a shot from the distance from the person. Remember, here I will say that the person is at the distance and the camera is also at the distance. Means they are away from each other. Means they are not near each other, and that's why this is called the long shot. And that's why the shot is taken here from the long distance. Remember, and that's why it is called the long shot. It means the camera man is at distance from the object, or the male or the female or the animal or any kind of substances or any kind of instruments which are there used in the film making. Here today we have seen the particular use of the camera in the film. Again, in the next topic we will see the next problem or point of discussion. Till then we will stop. Thank you very much.